Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Jodhpur location. It is from Rajasthan. I am going to mention all the links in the description box to apply for the job roles mentioned in this video. You please check once. Coming to the video, firstly, there is a job opening for the furniture sourcing manager. It is from Crafts Mill India Technologies Private Limited. For this position, the requirements will include like you should have 5 years plus experience in working with both large and small organizations, and in furniture experience plus both domestic and overseas, and brings relevant industry knowledge with loads of network and contacts, a collaborative approach to working with cross-functional partners, and you should be a self-starter, organized and detail-oriented, and you should be proficiency in MS Office and Excel, and you should have knowledge of InDesign, a bonus. These are some requirements required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the manager business loans. It is from Bajaj Finserv. If you see the job duties and key responsibilities, like you have to manage initiatives related to customer retention and business cross-sell, and you have to manage inbound and outbound channel business, and effectively engage with credit operations and risk team. These are some duties and key responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. And if you see the qualifications and experience required, like you should have a post graduation with relevant experience of 2 to 3 years in direct sales or channel sales in loans, and you should have excellent team handling and problem resolving ability, and you should have exceptionally high motivation levels and need to be a self starter. These are some qualifications and experience required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the content writer. It is from Storyfy Solutions. For this position, the basic eligibility, like you should have grip on English language and creative thinking, ability to type at least 3000 to 3500 words per day, and ability to understand new concepts and learn fast. These are some eligibility criteria for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the chartered accountant. It is from Uma Group of Companies. For this position, the responsibilities will include like you are responsible for overall management of CRM and approval of sales orders and cost sheets in line with the prevalent RM rates, and due diligence for customer approvals, credit limits, cylinder cost monitoring, and you are responsible for data restructuring for semi-organized or unorganized and obscure data for meaningful database across sector lines, customers, SKUs, etc. And monitoring a team for costing and contribution analysis, financial modeling and CRM. And these are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. And for this position, you should have skills like working knowledge of SCP and MS Office or advanced Excel is needed. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here. And for more detailed information, you please check what's in the description box for the link. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the web designer. It is from Loud Jodhpur. For this position, the responsibilities and qualifications will be like coming to the responsibilities like conceptualize and create intuitive, engaging and brand consistent web experiences, and continually improve and optimize user experience for sites, and you have to collaborate in concept development and design ideation cross-functionally and to help define a creative strategy. These are some responsibilities. And if you see the qualifications required, like you should have a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in web design, and you should be proficient in Photoshop and other graphic tools like Illustrator, Figma, Sketch, etc. and you should be deep understanding of HTML, CSS and WordPress. These are some qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the assistant manager sales marketing. It is from Thor Life Spaces. If you see the job responsibilities, like you have to assist seniors in recruiting, training, scheduling, coaching and managing marketing and sales team to meet sales and marketing human resource objectives. You have to assist sales head and CEO in analyzing budgets, preparing annual budget plans, scheduling expenditures and ensuring that the sales team meets their quotas and goals. And they should assist sales team in implementing new sales plans and advertising, and in promoting the company's existing brands and introducing new products to the market. These are some responsibilities I have mentioned here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here, and for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the assistant manager credit operations. It is from Bajaj Spencer. If you see the job duties and responsibilities, like they will include like understanding financial loan products and disbursement process for BLSE or PLSE or SALPL or PSPL or Pro or LAP or UCF business lines, and you are responsible for file disbursement of secured or unsecured products, and deliver disbursement quality, and you have to maintain file hold as per agreed SLA, and you have to know loan documentation pre-sanction and post-sanction, and you are responsible for coordination with verification agencies and tracking verification reports on a day-to-day basis. These are some duties and responsibilities for this position. And if you see the required qualifications and experiences, like you should be a graduate with 1 to 2 years of work experience in loan operations, and you should be computer proficiency and flexible in terms of office timings. Mortgage, personal or business loan disbursement experience is must. These are some qualifications and experience required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the sales and marketing specialist. It is from Asis Chemical Works. For this position, the responsibilities and qualifications will include, like coming to the responsibilities, you have to develop and execute strategies to drive business in new and existing markets. You have to pitch their products to clients and meet clients in different locations and book orders. And if you see the qualifications required, you should have bachelor's degree or equivalent experience in business, and you should have 3 years plus experience of sales, and you should have excellent written and verbal communication skills, and you should have knowledge of digital marketing will be a plus. These are some responsibilities and qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.